Hey, what up, Snaz fam? Hope you're all doing well and wonderful in these crazy times and making the best of the situation that you're currently in. As for us in this house, we are doing the best we can, including Oscar, who doesn't seem to mind social distancing that much. He's just chilling in the house, eating his ice cubes, as you do. Anyways, we do have an exciting day. Kind of a really big day, actually. We are going to buy my wife a brand new car. That's right. Now, this is not one of those, like every Christmas you see the commercial where the spouse has his car in the front of the house with the bow on it and surprising the spouse and everyone's like, oh my gosh, you bought... No, I don't know how that's a real thing because like buying a car is such a huge deal, and I want to make sure that we get the right vehicle that my wife appreciates, and she's also okay with obviously the price because it's a big expense. So my wife has been involved in this car purchase process. She's the one that told me her wants, her wish list. She's the one that ultimately decided what vehicle we get. However, I'm the one that's making her get the new car, and I'll explain that in just a second. First, I want to give a shout out to Rustico. This is not a sponsored video, I just genuinely like the company, and I felt like doing a small giveaway to you guys. This is a handmade leather 13-inch tech sleeve for your iPad, MacBook, whatever it is that you got. All you gotta do is go to my Instagram link below, comment on the post where I have Rustico tagged, and I'm gonna ship it to one of you guys, just because. Hopefully you live in the US because shipping costs, you know? Also, James's Ford GT, yeah, it's still dead, and I'd make fun of him, but the Rolls is also dead, so what are you gonna do? Now, on to the Subaru, 1 second. Just gotta clean up the coolant, you know, no big deal, normal thing. I really should get it fixed though.
Oh, are we filming?
We're live. We're live. Hello. I did just make fun of your Ford GT for being dead, but then I stopped because the Rolls is also dead, so.
Yeah. Yep.
Anyways, as you guys know, this is James the Stradman.
Hello.
He has a small YouTube channel.
Link below.
Link below, per usual. It'll be down there somewhere.
Where are you going?
Subaru Day, collection day.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bro.
I cleaned it. No, it's clean.
Oscar didn't pee in the garage.
That's what it was. That's what I cleaned up.
It was coolant.
It wasn't coolant, it was Oscar. Huh, look at him. He's hanging his head in shame. Also, stay tuned for that guy because he's gonna do weed control in my backyard at the end of the video. And when I say weed control, it's actually more exciting than it sounds. Back to the reason of why we are getting a new car now. This vehicle right here is an 06. It's seen better days. Let me put it.
It's a piece of junk.
Dude,
bro,
careful.
Okay,
she
so I know
loves this car.
But honestly,
she loves it.
I rarely drive this car, and when I do, I back it out of the driveway, into the street, I move a car out, and then I put it back in the driveway. Right. I feel like my life is on the line, like it is gonna blow up. And I'm not being sarcastic. I'm actually truthful on that.
So you're saying I've been putting my wife's life at risk.
This steering rack, sometime you're gonna be driving down the highway, is just gonna fall, and the whole car is gonna blow up in a million pieces.
The dealer knows the situation. They've already did the whole test drive and the trade-in value and stuff, so they know what's going on. It needs to be fixed and all that. But yeah, my wife came home. You remember, you were there. She came home and said, "Hey, it feels weird," and I went out, and I was hoping it would be like a low tire. Yeah, it was like.
Remember we took it on that little test drive to the gas station?
Oh yeah, I went with you.
And we both were sweating.
Yeah.
Because we thought it was gonna blow up. It's bad. Yeah. Best of luck on the drive to the dealership.
So,
just call me if you need me to pull you out of the ditch. I'll grab the Hummer.
Well, on the upside is you're welcome for getting you such a nicer vehicle to move around the driveway.
Honestly, I'm actually. Wait, I'm not getting kicked out of the garage, am I?
Low key, we're definitely kicking James out of the garage. Subaru over Lambo every day? Yeah. All right, last drive. Last time ever. Boom. Starts right up. You know, with such a confident startup like that, I almost wonder maybe we should back out of this deal. We don't need a new one. This is free, baby. We just hope the next owner gets as much joy and adventure out of this vehicle as my wife did for the last 12 years. Subi Nation. All right, now here we are at Nate Wade Subaru, stacked with Subarus, and I want to make two things very clear. First of all, the Corona, it's a big deal, and I want to make sure that you guys don't think that we're just out casually car shopping. No big deal. My wife's car, legitimately, it was time to go. It was unsafe for her to drive at all, and now is the right time to buy a vehicle with 0% interest. So it was something that needed to happen for her safety and reliability. The second thing I want to mention is Nate Wade made it very easy for us. We already knew what we wanted. We wanted an Outback, so we didn't have to go around to a bunch of dealerships and test drive a bunch of different cars. We were able to do most of the paperwork and application online. So really, we're just showing up. We're gonna sign a couple things, take the car, and bounce out. So I appreciate Nate Wade for how they've worked with us. All right, so here it is, walking up to my wife's brand new 2020 Subaru Outback Onyx XT. That's right, we did get the turbo. We weren't gonna mess around. It went from what? Mario's a sales guy. He's been helping us out.
How you guys doing?
We were talking about the premium and he's like, no, turbo. And I'm like, of course turbo. So we went from 180 horsepower roughly to 260
yeah.
horsepower, which is noticeably.
And a lot more torque.
And a lot more torque. So this is it. Onyx XT white, very clean, black wheels. I don't know what to say, but we actually might do some things to her. So we already talked to Mario about potentially lifting it and bigger tires and so forth, and he was able to clarify that it may void some warranty parts, obviously with what we take off and change, but the engine warranty and all that stuff would still be good.
Correct.
So I think I can handle that risk. So I think a lift and tire modification.
Whenever you make aftermarket upgrades, what factories look at is if it causes something else to fail, then that part that fails would not be warranted.
Right.
So it's not subject. A lot of people think it's the whole car. If I do it, avoids my whole warranty. No, it's just on specific parts that have to do with that modification.
Perfect. You guys get that? So I think we got to modify it. Did I tell my wife? I may have mentioned it. Are we going to do it for sure? Yes. Did I tell her we're going to do it for sure? I haven't yet. So stay tuned. I may surprise her on that one. We also might wrap it. But Mario, thanks again. Social distancing.
Yeah,
high five.
Social distancing. High five.
There we go.
Nice doing business with you.
Appreciate it. Yeah, link below to Nate Wade because they've been great to me. So appreciate it. And let's go drive home. Turbo. We're mashing the pedal. All right, there it goes. A brand new 2020 Subaru Outback XT Onyx. And that being said, I appreciate Mario again, but my ride's leaving.
Thank you for the business.
Appreciate it.
Take care.
Give him a call. Tell him Burlacker sent you. Hey, see you, Brock. Appreciate the help. Link below. Hit him up. That's Brock. Whew. Thought my wife was gonna leave me for a second. All right, babe. Brand new car. How you feeling?
Good.
She is smiling and excited. I mean, we went from an 06, 189,618 miles to a 2020 with 167 miles. On this inaugural drive home, I feel like it's a good time for a joke. So this is one my nephew told to me. Why is Cinderella bad at baseball? Anybody? Because she ran away from the ball and lost her shoe. Get it? So this car is totally stacked with technology, which is the total opposite of what her 06 had. And we're gonna go over all the features and details of this car and the financing and all this stuff, like I said, in the next video, because we're stuck at home anyway, so I might as well bore you guys with all the minutia of the Subaru Outback Onyx XT. And even though this is a brand new car, it's still relegated to the outside because James's Lambos. What do you do? This is what's awesome about having a backyard. And this is why we need to put in the dirt track back here. Now you guys can see all the weeds I got growing here. The best way we figured out to avoid pulling them like I had to do last year is have him come every day and rip it. Oh man, I'm wearing my white shoes too. What are you? Shoe fail. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow, same time. Now, you could either pull weeds or you could have your friend rip it in the razor in your backyard. I choose option 2. What do you think, dude?
Man,
I mean,
bro,
fits perfectly,
you got a problem.
right?
You've bought 3 cars in the last like month and a half. Where am I gonna park all my cars?
I didn't think you were gonna go there. Fortunately for me, your cars are throughout the country, and I'm pretty sure they're never gonna come back.
Bro, you're right.
I mean. So what do you think? I mean, it's not, you know, some exciting exotic Lamborghini, but
it accentuates your curves very nicely. The color, matches your complexion. Anyways, this thing is nice. Oh, you got like the green stitching too?
Yep. This is the Onyx edition. And wait for it. This is the part that matters to you. Turbo. We went from 180 horsepower up to a whopping 260.
So are we gonna launch it right now or not? What are we doing?
Yeah, we're gonna launch it.
Do you have the keys?
Yeah.
Do not throw those keys to me. Oh my goodness, I do not need, wow.
Push button start, I don't know. Yeah, you comfortable with that?
Are we gonna straight pipe this for the wife? Wait, that sounded weird. That cut, can we cut that?
Yeah. Take two. Take two.
Are you gonna straight pipe this for her?
I think we're gonna have to straight pipe it. Definitely.
Oh my gosh, that's so bad.
We're gonna lift it.
Oh.
Tires.
Whoa.
And a wrap.
Purple?
No.
No, okay, sorry, too soon.
No. We are not wrapping this purple. I love purple, but she chose a different color. Clayton and Faith will be calling you.
Did she go with sort of a environmentally aesthetic color, kind of sort of a deep brownish color?
Earth tone.
Earth tone, yes. Earth tone. Okay,
yes,
nice.
We call it earth tone.
You kind of clickbaited us that with the Shelby, and I'm just getting, you know.
There's a reason.
88 miles?
Yeah. Like, this is brand new, 2020, baby.
This thing is fancy. You know how to work all this?
No, I don't.
Burlacker's battery is flashing red.
We got more batteries, but don't worry, I'm going to show you a feature.
Show me the trick. What are you doing?
Come on. Is the car locked? Does it need to be unlocked?
Wow.
I haven't read
obviously
pages of the manual yet.
What are we even trying to do?
Open sesame.
You just do this.
No,
it's easy.
It's got a wave your hand the feature.
You just push the button.
I promise you, next video I will show you that feature. It's amazing. Whoa.
What? Are you kidding me?
Go home. You can't drive it.
No, I had to take the little man on his night ride. How else do you put your kids to sleep?
Nick, how about you show Johnny the feature that you're just trying to show me?
Next video.
Sorry. Yeah, next video. You'll have to watch Nick's video, Johnny.
You guys are brave. I would never ride in a Razor with that guy. Whoa! All right, we're gonna keep rolling just in case he rolls it, just to get it on footage. I'm impressed. All right, that's enough nonsense for one video. I'm super excited and super happy for my wife that she can have a newer, nicer, safer automobile. We are very blessed and I'm very grateful for that. Again, thanks to the guys at Nate Wade Subaru, Brett and Brock and Mario. I've known a couple of them for a long, long time. This is not a sponsored video. They just took care of me. They'll take care of you. Link below. Go check them out. And I wish you all the best of luck in these crazy times. Go crush it. Peace. Whoa, jeez. Whew. Be honest, that, well played, sir. Well played. That was sidled the heck out of that one.
Peace?
Yeah. Do you know what sidling is?
No.
Seinfeld reference.
Try spelling it.
I'm not going to do that thing.
You can't spell it.
You know when I
Last
tried
time
to
we
spell
had this conversation, yeah, it's not even a real word.
Yeah,
I tried to tell you that, but
no,
you wouldn't listen. Yes,
he did not. He thought it was a real word. I had him convinced. Trepidous is not a word. Trepidatious is the word. Sidling is a Seinfeld reference.
You can't spell trepidatious either.
I don't want to.